Mikey, lunch is on.
Package came for today, Mikey.
It's just Michael, okay?
Sure. Michael. I forgot how long it's been since Grandad called you that.
I'm sorry, I just...
Well, you just opened the box, yeah?
Yeah, right.
Damn, I remember that. Grandad used to carry it around as a memento of his father.
You should really come see him. It would mean so much to him. You know he doesn't have long left. It's time to go. Mikey, are you okay?
It's Michael! That mainland died with Grandad, and I wasn't even fucking there!
I'm so sorry. He meant everything to me, but you knew him far longer than I ever would. He's all we had.
To Mikey, my youngest grandson, since you never knew your parents, I've always tried to be one to you and to fill the void your brother experiences. Sadly, though, my time has come earlier than anyone wants. No matter what, though, you should know I am proud of you both. I leave my watch to you and hope it serves as a reminder that we make our own time for the people we love and the dreams we want to have. It's not about how much time we have, it's about what we do with the time we are given. So I want you to spend yours wisely, my boy. I want you to look after each other and to be strong with the unity you share as brothers. With love, Grandad.
It's Michael, Mikey and Curtis.
Come in.
Hey, Grandad. Hey, Grandad.
Mikey.